A female learner in Kenya asked, "What can be the reasons that make some people treat others poorly? What can we benefit from treating others poorly?" These are profound and profoundly important questions. These questions are also at the heart of critical hydra theory. Another way of phrasing what the learner is asking is, why does marginalization exist? Why do people do things which diminish, tear down, or control others? Marginalization happens when some people in a culture have privileged statuses that allow and even encourage them to treat those with lower, unprivileged statuses poorly. The learner's question can now be rephrased. How is it that treating others poorly becomes accepted by a community? Normalization happens over a long period of time, and I've been calling it the normalization of marginalization. Normalizing means that behavior is just accepted. One example is the unequal, and many would argue, unjust treatment of girls and women all around the world. Thousands of years ago, long before modern society, this kind of mistreatment of females was not normal. In ancient societies, before we had agriculture, it was not common or accepted for one gender to dominate the other. Over time, during the transition to modern society, there was a slow normalization of the marginalization of women. Slowly treating females less than males became just how things are. Other kinds of behavior based on privileged statuses also became normalized. The normalization of the marginalization of the poor, for example, didn't happen all at once, but rather over a long period of time, until now, when we see some people living outrageously privileged lives. This is just how things are, or normal. Why do some people treat others poorly, and what do they get out of it? They get a twisted sense of superiority based on toxic and incorrect assumptions about the differences between one group and another, denying the basic fact that no human is more human than other humans. The normalization of marginalization is at the root of all toxic othering and all social injustices around the world.